Hi, I'm Bryan. Welcome to Ask Bryan Cheong. Starting today, I'll be starting a series of Malaysia e-invoicing. Please like, comment, share, and follow any of my social media if you want to know more about e-invoicing. Starting next year, 2024, Malaysia will be going into e-invoicing era. Some people will say, I already started my e-invoicing many years ago because I generate my invoice in accounting software or I key in Excel or Word and email to my customer. This is e-invoicing. But actually, this is not. For e-invoicing, it only can be in JSON and XML format. The general idea of e-invoicing, you should not send invoice to your customer before getting IRB validation. It means that you need to send your invoice to IRB, get validated by getting a approval code and also QR code to be inserted into your invoice, then only you can send to your customer. Yes, it's true. All your invoice need to get validated by IRB and not just invoice. There are 4 types of document involved in e-invoicing, which is invoice, credit note, debit note, and also refund note. When you should start your e-invoicing is 2024 or 2027. Stay tuned for my next video on e-invoicing. Thank you for watching. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Thank you.